Ready? You got it. 5, 6, step on your right. 1, 2, back, right together. Then we stop and whip. 1, 2, push back, sway those hips. Then we rock, right, left, then left. Step, touch front, right, and left, turn it. We're gonna repeat, point that right foot. 1, 2, 3, right together. Then we stop and whip, push back, sway, here's that little accent. 1, 2, 3, then left. 5, 6, 7, we pose, rock, front and back. Yeah, fantastic. Let's go up to tempo, shall we? Here we go. Ready? You got it. 5, 6, step on your right. Back, right together. Stop and whip, push back, sway. Rock to the corner. Right, left, left, right. Step touch. Turn it. Start it over. Right, left, right together. Stop whip. Then we push. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we pose. Yeah, fantastic. Let's go without cueing.
Just trying different numbers. Didn't think that you'd pick up. I'm just drinking to call someone. Ain't nobody safe when I'm a little bit drunk. Could be John or Larry, gosh, who's to say? Or the one that rhymes a villain if I'm feeling that way. Oh, I'm just drinking to call someone. A girl who knows her liquor is a girl who's been dumped. Sipping on my go-go juice, I can't be blamed.